What's your favorite WhatsApp channel? Let us know in the comment section. Hey guys, WhatsApp is rolling in a lot of updates from time to time, and this is because most of the people use this app on a daily basis. And as we talk of now, WhatsApp is one of the apps which have over 5 billion downloads. So if you're using WhatsApp with all these new updates coming in, you need to know how you can reduce your mobile data usage while connected on WhatsApp. So how are you going to do that? You're going to come and head on settings. When you tap on settings, you're going to come and tap here. So you're going to go on and tap on storage and data. You're going to come and tap here. So after tapping here, then you're going to head down here when using mobile data, this one here. So when using mobile data, you should have all the things unticked right here when you're connected on mobile data, and that means that all photos, audios, videos and documents from your chats, WhatsApp groups and from your favorite channels won't be downloading if you have not clicked on them. So what about when connected on Wi-Fi? When connected on Wi-Fi, you can choose to have all the things ticked, and that will mean that you have all your photos, audios, videos and documents downloaded when you're connected on Wi-Fi. But still, if you don't want, you can choose to have all these things unticked, and that will mean all photos, audios, videos and documents won't be downloading if you have not clicked on them. And this will also help you not to compromise your mobile storage. So guys, that's how you can control your mobile data usage when connected on WhatsApp. So guys, if you still want to know how you can set up your daily data limit such that you don't go past your mobile data expense, you can click on the link in the comment section.